Doorbell cameras are a relatively new feature developed for home security systems. They provide protection at the front door, where a monitor has a built-in surveillance camera that allows you to view it from any tablet, phone or computer. Most of the time it's used for checking who of your friends arrived, or if the mailman dropped off any packages. But sometimes these doorbell cameras capture incredible, funny and weird moments. Here are the craziest and funniest doorbell camera clips I could find on the internet. But first, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one. This son seems to have had a little too much to drink and forgets that his dad's birthday party is meant to be a surprise.
Dude, how are you the last one to show up to your own party? That is messed up. Your birthday party? What are you talking about?
What are you doing?
What?
Surprise party!
Surprise party?
Are you drunk?
Of course I am. It's a party.
You guys can come out. Derek messed this up. Seriously.
I was wondering where all the cars were.
How stupid can you be?
Oh, why didn't you just say it's a surprise party?
There's people here to see you. Happy birthday. Thanks a lot, Derek.
Oh, happy birthday. I'm sorry.
Family runs into the house in panic when a very loud thunder strikes. But the dad hilariously trips while running. Porch Pirate is caught red-handed. Just as he runs up to the house at night and steals a package, the police turn around the corner and instant karma is served. This girl's Jamaican neighbor doesn't like trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat, go down in the yard. Before you get COVID, take your ass home.
Neighbor gets instant karma for trying to destroy the Ring doorbell camera. This Amazon worker just doesn't care anymore. He's done with running up to houses and laying the packages nicely by the door. Instead, he decides to practice his aim with this package. Neighbor asked this homeowner to check her footage, as she thought someone had tried to break in at 3 AM. Instead, she found this goofy guy having the time of his life. Dad tries to act like he didn't break the glass door, but what he didn't realize was that it was all caught on the doorbell camera.
Nico! Come here! Look what happened. I just seen this. I ain't touched hit nothing, just seen this. You must have hit it with that. I swear to God I did. I swear to God I did.
Karen harasses her neighbor, who she accuses of squatting. The woman lies and says she works for the state, but she's really just being a nosy and irritating neighbor.
Who are you? investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
Okay, so
So
who are you looking for?
do you own this property? Are you the owner?
Are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of the property.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California that you'll know how to find a property owner.
Well, if you're not the tenant on the lease, then I'm going to have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days. You understand?
You're funny.
Are you laughing at me?
You look like you're on drugs.
Unless
are you okay?
Looks like you're on drugs.
Well, you're being recorded, so I
So
hope that you're representing
it
yourself.
doesn't matter.
You will be recorded. So you're.
It doesn't matter.
Well,
It doesn't matter.
We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. No.
Some bitch at my door.
Okay. Oh, some bitch at your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm going to prove to the police that you don't own it. Okay?
You're a squatter. You're on my property. Get off of it.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number out here and your son's card, and I'm going to make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
Handle your business, bitch.
Handle your business, bitch, because this house looks like shit.
You look like shit. Go take a shower.
Even if there are a lot of dreadful incidents that are caught on doorbell cameras, they can also be used for something wholesome. Like this clip, where a deployed dad gets messages halfway around the world from his kids.
Hi, Daddy. I miss you so much. I only miss you too, Daddy. Because I really want you to come back. Bye, Daddy. I'm going to learn a lot. Dad, I love you so much. Come on soon. I love you. Hi, Dad. I got a new haircut. I love you so much. So much. Hi, Dad. I miss you a lot. Over to see you in the tooth birthday today. I love you so much. Dad, I graduated from riding my bike now. All I need for help is to push, then I'm all going by myself. There's no training wheels, Dad. How cool is that? I hope you come back soon. Bye, Dad.
Kid is hyped when the pizza arrives, and the delivery guy joins in, unaware of the doorbell camera capturing the funny moment.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
My mom's grabbing cash right now.
Alright.
Hey, go.
This man is chased by a German Shepherd and tries to avoid it by jumping on top of a random car. But what he doesn't know is that the owner of the car is sitting inside of it.
So you good? I saw that motherfucker this morning.
This woman is doing all that work for nothing.
Are you kidding?
Old woman pulls a knife on her neighbor.
Ya le dije a usted que se mudaron de aquí hace mucho tiempo.
¿Se mudaron? Yo no
Se
llegué
mudaron.
aquí.
Mudaron para allá.
Yo vi a una vieja con un pie aquí.
No. Ya no vive ahí.
Mira que la va a matar.
Hasta luego. Y de ahí todo. Se fue a llamar a la policía. Mira.
woman lost her wallet at Walmart, but she couldn't have been more lucky, as this wonderful Florida man drove to her house and returned it.
Camera recording.
Hey, how you doing? I found your wallet at Walmart. Well, I'm gonna put it by the Amazon boxes.
This dog mistakes the owner's hood for a furry toy, though it kinda looks like the dog tries to strangle her.
Oh my god. No one prepared you for what to do when this happens! This is not how I want to go out, Grissom.
This kid has a lot of potential to be a pro athlete, or so they thought.
Hey, Dad! Think fast! Listen, that child is going to be a pro athlete. Oh!
Oh, dude, you're supposed to catch it.
I wasn't ready! I wasn't ready.
Bro, we're just throwing it.
I wasn't ready!
Perfect timing.
This kid went for a little longer ride this morning than expected as mom let go. Fortunately, the kid didn't get hurt. This guy thinks the Ring doorbell is a bomb, and when he presses it, he runs to jump off the balcony from the 3rd floor stairs.
Is that a fucking bomb? Oh,
This disturbing footage shows a young woman abandoning her 3-year-old boy at a stranger's house. When the homeowner opened the door, she pushed the baby in the door and walked away.
So you're leaving your baby with me? And she said, yes. I said, so you're abandoning your baby.
What's her name?
I don't know her name. I have no idea who she is.
The woman was later arrested and charged for unlawful desertion of a child and child neglect. She also said she abandoned her son because he had gotten sick with scabies, a contagious itchy skin rash, and could apparently no longer take care of him. The kid was placed in the care of a child welfare. What a terrible mother. This man is ding-dong ditching in the middle of the night, and for some reason he's also fully naked. This dancing mailman is having a great day at work.
I love those things. I don't know why. They're so addicting. It's like not even real cheese, but it's so good. Cheers.
This cat is desperately trying to alert the owner to open the door. This guy delivering a package is terrified of the homeowner's dog.
yeah, I got a package.
Wow, 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 wow. No, get your dog. Ah! Ah! Get your dog. Get your dog. Get your dog.
It's okay.
Ah! Get your dog. Get your dog. Get your dog. Ah!
If the person in this next clip was chased by that dog, he would probably pass out, because this guy is screaming for his life while running away from a little chihuahua. All the crazy things that have happened, but weren't captured on camera. Luckily, doorbell cameras have become very popular recently, and there are tons of funny clips like these. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, so that you won't miss the next video. And while you wait for the next one, check out our other awesome videos. Goodbye.